Need a fresh start for your phone's home screen? In this guide, I'll show you how to reset your home screen layout and restore it to its default setup in just a few simple steps. Resetting your phone's home screen layout is one of the most effective ways to fix a cluttered, unorganized, or malfunctioning interface. If app icons are missing, widgets are not working correctly, folders have become difficult to manage, or your home screen simply feels messy, restoring the default layout can help resolve these issues quickly. To begin, open the Settings app on your device. Scroll through the menu and tap Apps. This section contains all applications installed on your phone, including the system apps responsible for managing your home screen. Next, locate One UI Home in the app list. If you have trouble finding it, tap the search icon in the upper right corner and type One UI Home. Once you find it, tap to open its settings page. Now select Storage. Here, you will see options related to the app's stored data and cache. Tap Clear Data located near the bottom of the screen. A confirmation message will appear explaining that the app's settings and layout information will be removed. Tap Delete or OK to continue. After the process is complete, press the Home button or swipe up to return to your home screen. Your device may take a few moments to reload the interface. Once finished, the home screen will be restored to its original factory default layout, with default app placement and settings. Keep in mind that custom folders, widget arrangements, and icon placements will be removed during this process. So consider taking screenshots beforehand if you want to recreate your setup later. Reset complete. Your device now has a fresh home screen setup. Thanks for following along and have a great day.